Next, see division of a fractions. What is division of a fractions? How can you do? Division means if we have to divide, then it is also the simply multiplication process. But how will we have to do? The reciprocal of a number, the reciprocal first for a division, first I want to tell. Suppose by giving an example I am telling. Okay. Suppose there is the question 1 by 2 is divided, okay, 1 by 2 is divided by 2 by 4, that the two fraction is to be divided. Okay, then what is that what is the process? See here, 1 by 2 it is the multiplication process, students. Then how it will be? 1 by 2, as the first fraction is given, that first fraction we have to write. Then the change the division sign into multiplication. Whenever you change the division sign into multiplication, then just to write the reciprocal form of a second fraction. Means what? 4 by 2. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal of a number means what? It is the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means we just change the denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator. Just we have to reverse that fraction. Then means, remind it, first the fraction which one is the first one you have to write like as it is given, and change the division into multiplication and write the multiplicative inverse of that fraction which is in the second form. Means if it is the 2 by 4, just I am writing here 4 by 2. After that you follow the multiplication method. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 here. Answer will be, so see another question, another point, 2 by 2 is there, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 also here. Answer is getting 1. Okay, 1 by 1, it answer is 1. It is the division of a fraction with the fraction. Okay, so see another question. If it is given 5 by 6, if it will be divided by 5. Another question. Okay, another example. 5 by 5, 5 by 6 is divided by 5 is given. 5 means denominator should be 1. Nothing means here 1. So see, 5 by c, as it is given the first fraction, I change the division into multiplication. Again I have to write the reverse reciprocal of the 5 by 1. Reciprocal means I have to write the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 1. What is that answer? 1 by 5. Now I have to follow the multiplication method. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So see what is remain. In numerator case 1 into 1. In denominator 6 into 1. What is the answer? 1 by 6. Answer is 1 by 6. Like this. Clear? This is the division of fractions. Clear, students? Means division of a fraction means if we have to divide a fraction by another fraction, we multiply the fraction. We just multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of another fraction, by the divisor. Which one is? It is the divisor, it is the dividend, it is the dividend, and it is the divisor. Clear? It is the divisor. What is the method? Whenever we have to divide two fractions, in that case we have to multiply the dividend with the reciprocal of the divisor. Clear? That means the first fraction, it should be multiplied with the reciprocal or reverse of that fraction. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse of that another fraction. Simply it is the divisor in a question. Okay, that is the method. Plus we have to do some other examples. So see here I am giving another example. If like this, 12 is divided by 2 by 3, it is a question. So see, 12 means what? Here in this case, here will be nothing, there is, means 5 by 6 is divided by 5 only. But here 12 is divided by 2 by 3. What does this mean? 12 means 12 by 1 divided by 2 by 3. Clear? This question meaning is this. What is that? 12 by 1 first fraction as it is, then division is changes into multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of 2 by 3. that is 3 by 2. Clear? Then we have to follow the multiplication. We have to simplify. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. What will be remain? 6 into 3, 1 into 1. 6 3 ja 18 by 1. Answer is 18. This is the answer. Okay. So like this, other questions you have to do. Another question. See, 2 whole 3 by 5 is to be divided 1 whole 4 by 35. Clear? This is the exercise question answer. These all are some questions are from your exercise. So all of you see the video. Clear? So see, if there is the mixed fraction, you first convert them in proper fraction. 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 5. Divided 35 1 ja 35, 35 plus 4, 39 by 35. Clear? Next, what is the answer? 13 by 5, as it is the first fraction. Then division is to be changed into multiplication. Multiply reciprocal of this fraction. That means 35 by 39. See, 13 1 ja 13, 13 3 ja 39, 5 1 ja 5, 5 but 5 7 ja 35. Answer is 7 by 3. But this is the not answer. We can be simplify this as it is the proper in fraction. So what is the answer? 3 2 ja 2 whole 1 by 3. Okay. Clear? This is the mixed fraction. This is the mixed number we are getting. In this way you have to divide the fractions. See students, there is the question number 16. Okay. See, that is the question number 13. Sorry, it is the 13 number question from your exercise 5.10. Okay. A fruit basket had 10 dozen of mangoes. Out of these, 1 by 15 got spoiled and 1 by 3 of were eaten. How many mangoes are left? Okay. What is the question? A fruit basket had total number of 10 dozen mangoes. 1 dozen is equal to answer. Okay. 10 dozen. 1 dozen is equal to, it carries 12 articles. 1 dozen means it is the 12 articles. If that is there is the 10 dozen means it is 12 into 10 is equal to 120 articles. Means there is the 120 mangoes. Total mangoes in a basket is 120. Means a whole number. Total number is 120 mangoes. Clear? In the basket. Next, out of this 1 by 15%, 1 by 15 fraction got spoiled. How many mangoes are got spoiled? It were wasted. How many mangoes? It is not given. Number is not given. It is only given in the fraction. So we have to change the fraction into number. Here the question is 1 by 15 got spoiled. From where? From the 10 dozen of mangoes. Means 1 by the number of mangoes were spoiled. Mangoes were spoiled is equal to how many? 1 by 15 of 10 dozen means it is 120. That means 1 by 15 into 120. Okay. So answer we have to first sort out. Then what is the answer we are getting? Can you tell? So see, 15 1 ja 15 8 ja 120. Then how many mangoes were spoiled here? 8 mangoes. Clear? Next, again it is written there 1 by 3 were eaten. Number of mangoes which are eaten is not given. Here only fraction is given. So we have to calculate here number of mangoes to be eaten. Okay. So see, mangoes were eaten is equal to how many? 1 by 3 of 120. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 120. Clear? 3 1 ja 340 ja How many mangoes are eaten? 40 mangoes are eaten. Okay. Next it is asking how many mangoes are left. Means in a basket total number of mangoes are 120. Means 10 dozen. Out of these mangoes are used. Means some are spoiled, some are eaten. Means they already used. So write mangoes were used is equal to what? 40 plus 8, that is equal to 48 mangoes. Clear? Next, number of mangoes are left. Now, number of mangoes were left is equal to total number of mango 120. Out of this 48 mangoes were used up in two ways. So, what is the answer we are getting? 72. Clear? The answer it will 72. It is the number of mangoes. This is the amount of mangoes were written. Means in question there is the fraction only given. You have to find out the actual number by converting the fraction into the whole numbers. By multiplying the fraction with the total number which is given. Okay. Then after you follow the next procedures. Next, another question in your book it is given in question number 15. Okay, see here, in question number 15 it is given. See students, in question number 15, after traveling 2 by 5 of a journey, Joy found still he had to cover 15 kilometer. What is the total distance? Means Joy have to cover a distance, but here the distance from the initial point it is not given. After traveling 2 by 5 of the journey, means the amount of total journey is not given, total distance not given. From his total distance he is already covered, he is already passed 2 by 5. Okay, and after passing he is again checked that he have to cover, it is remain 15 kilometer more. Means that amount of distance he is covered with that amount of distance which is left to cover, or if we are adding that the total distance of his journey it will become. Clear? So here the total distance of distance not given, we have to find out. So let's take in this case the total distance let's x, it is the distance, it is x kilometer. Okay, it will be x kilometer, we don't know, so we have to take a digit, that is x, means its value is not given, we don't know, but we are taken it is a x. Okay, so see, after traveling 2 by 5 means he traveled how much money, how much journey, that is 2 by 5 of his total distance, means that is x, 2 by 5 of x. Again I am telling total distance is x, from x he is traveled, that means what, 2 by 5 of x, that is 2 by 5 into x. But how can you multiply this? In multiplication method I told, if there is the multiplication is given, so see x by 1 nothing means 1, means we can just be multiplied the numerator by multiplication of a denominator. So see how I am writing, 2 into x by 5 into 1. If 2 into x, then its answer is 2x, 5 by 5. Means the amount of distance is covered, traveled already, that is 2x by 5. Okay, next he have to be covered, he have to cover is equal to, that is 15 kilometer. Clear student? Means what, it is already covered, it is to be covered. That means what, if both we are adding, then we got the total amount of distance. So see, the total distance of his journey is equal to, what is that, 2x by 5 plus 15. Clear? Clear na? 2x by 5 plus 15 is equal to x. Means if we will add both the number, then we got the, then it will be total amount of distance, that is equal to x, which was we are already taken. So see how it will be calculated. Here 15 by 1 LCM, both are the different, unlike fractions. 2x by 5 means denominator is different, so you have to take out the LCM. See here the both of the denominators are the different, so we have to take out the LCM. 5 and 1 LCM is equal to 5. 5 into 1 LCM is equal to 5. So see, when there is the 5, then 2x is multiplied with 5 to divide 1, then we got the 1. Clear? 5 1 ja 5, so 1 is multiplied with the 2x into 1 plus, here 1 5 ja 5, 15 is to be multiplied with the 5, x as it is. Okay, now see what is happened. 2x into 1, answer will be 2x plus 15 5 ja 75. Clear? 15 5 ja 75 by 5, it is x. Now what is happened? 2x plus 75, here it is multiplied, okay, to give 5x. Now see 75 as it is, 5x, you have to change all the x numbers one side, 5x. Here see, in integer I told here nothing means in before there is the positive sign. When positive integers comes here after the equal, then it becomes the negative. You will, all these things already will be in equation process. Okay, so see 5x, first you have to write, then less you have to change the position of the plus 2x by making it minus 2x. So see 75 is equal to 5x minus 2x, means there is the 5x's, out of the 2x's you have subtracted, then there remains the 3x, 3 number of x's, means can you understand, x 5 x's are there, out of there 3 x's are you are minus, you are subtracted, then remain how many x's, sorry 2 x's are you have subtracted, then remain 3 x's, like this. Okay, that means once 73x is equal to 75, then x is equal to 75 by 3, 75 by 3. What is the answer we are getting? 25. Answer will be 25. Okay, here is the kilometer. It will, the total distance of his journey is 25 kilometer. Clear student? In this way you have to do this problem. According that you solve remain question answers of your exercises. Thank you.